This is what high functioning anxiety feels like. Constantly thinking ahead and planning. This isn't simply organization, it's an attempt to control the uncontrollable. Overanalyzing situations and worrying about potential outcomes. Situations are dissected and examined from every angle, anticipating potential negative outcomes. Feeling restless or on edge, even when everything seems fine. A persistent sense of unease pervades daily life. There's a background hum of anxiety, even in seemingly calm situations. Difficulty relaxing or taking breaks. Rest and relaxation are perceived in luxuries that cannot be afforded. The individual might feel guilty about taking time off, fearing that things will fall apart in their absence. Perfectionism and self criticism. High standards are set, and self criticism is harsh and unrelenting. Mistakes are viewed as personal failures, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self doubt. This creates a cycle of striving for unattainable standards and feeling perpetually inadequate. Lastly, hiding anxiety behind a mask of competence and control. This is a hallmark of high functioning anxiety. The individual projects an image of calmness and competence, masking their inner turmoil. They might be excelling professionally and maintain seemingly successful relationships, but underneath lies significant anxiety. This mask prevents others from understanding the struggles they face.